Hi everyone, my name is Terrell LaForge, and my final presentation is on traveling daycare. So a traveling daycare, it's more designed to have nannies or daycare providers come to the parents' home and take care of their children at their home. And with some of the problems that we found out was that parents had problems on whether or not daycare providers were monitoring their kids, and they were more concerned with the safety of their kids. Another one was the lack of their experience and staff. Most of the time, they had high school students taking care of their children, or just too many children being taken care of at one time. And then the last problem that we had was the high cost of daycare, which was kind of a big thing. And so with most parents. And with the reason why we should care about this traveling daycare is because with web cameras, we would be able to monitor kids a lot more easier with either their smartphones, tablets, laptops, or computers. And then our daycare providers will have a higher personnel experience, such as first aid kits, learn CPR, have degrees as well and stuff, which I'll talk about a little bit later on. And with ours, you would have more of a flexible hours too as well. We'll have daycare providers working in the mornings, working in the evenings, and also working overnights if parents like to travel a lot. And with we would also have like certificates in qualified elementary education, kindergarten class, early childhood development programs, and like I said earlier, we have CPR and we'll have first aid training with all our daycare providers. And with this one here, we would also have a lot of affordable costs for home daycare. And then the providers will actually go to your home to take care of your kids, which would be a lot more easier and be a less stress for parents. And with the opportunities that we found, 40% of families use daycare to take care of their children. And that was based off a website that we found out and stuff. And then another opportunity was with the service is a continuing service, which would mean that once a parent gets on with our business, they'll keep using our business and stuff until their kids grow old enough to where they'll be in sports or they'll be in like other activities as well and stuff. And then another one is we'll provide a home service, which would be able to take care of the kids at home. We'll have certified daycare providers, which is really helpful to most parents, and also will be new to a market. That's why this background here is a picture of all the daycares in Billings, which on Billings you're looking at about almost 20 to 30 daycares just themselves in Billings, and try to like enter that market. You're looking at a whole different competition and so is what you're looking at. And with target market, we're looking at more at kind of busy parents, children under 10 years old. We'll be helping people in Billings, Heights, and Lockwood area, and that includes the West End and downtown and South Side too of Billings too as well. And we'll also get into traveling parents too as well, like anyone that travels for business or like any other occasion. We'll be able to take care of their kids as well. And with our service description, we'll be watching their children who are under 10 years old. Parents will have access to web cameras through their smartphones, tablets, laptops, or their computers. And then we'll be able to schedule activities for when they're happening, so that way parents will know, well, my child is sleeping at this time, or my child is eating at this time, or just certain activities that they'll be doing and stuff. That way they can check, see what's going on and stuff at the time. And then our traveling daycare providers will have certificates and degrees, such as maybe have teachers do summertime jobs as daycare providers, and kind of like certificates as well, kind of like people go into training through Montana training such as well. They have a bunch of training that Montana does, which is really nice for most people and stuff, because you'll be able to learn a bunch about how to take care of children, what to do in a personal situation, and how to handle children too as well, which is really nice. And then with our YouTube interview results, so we interviewed 9 adults ranging from young parents all the way to like elder parents too as well. And what we found out was that about the first topic was watching children using electronics, which was the web cameras. And about 89% of them thought that was the most important to them, because they wanted to keep an eye on their children and see if they were being taken care of or not and stuff. And the other 11% like didn't really care about watching their children that much, just as long as they were being taken care of. The second topic we went over was daycare providers coming early, which would be able to give parents more time to get things ready that they're going to go to and stuff, and they'll be able to leave like earlier to their next destination, whether it's work or some other activity they have going on. And about 78% of them believe that was the most priority to them, and about 22% of them believe that was sort of important to them, but not fully important to them. And then a third topic we talked about was having access to web cameras, which 89% of them believe that was very important to them, and 11% just said that wasn't important to them at all. And the next costs are child care costs per child. We would have about $3.75 to about $5 per child, and then $5 charge for extra web cameras, such if we need like fill your whole house with web cameras, we would top out at $5. $1 charge for extra children, and with membership prices, we would put in at $4.50 a month, which is pretty good, because most of the daycare providers I talked to with my interviewers, they told me that they were charging about almost $550 to about $600 a month and stuff, which was pretty high. And with our competition, we're new to the market. There's no other competitors in Billings, Heights, or Lockwood. And there's other similar competitors such as Care.com, which mostly do like a lot of online work. And then we have daycare facilities, which is about 30 around Billings, Montana, such as Lockwood and the Heights. And with our consumer alternatives, they can go to daycare centers. They can go to home daycare centers without portable web cameras. They can have nannies. They can have family daycares, and they can have relative daycares, such as having family members take care of their children, or just paying money to go to a daycare facility and stuff as well. And then with our financial feasibility, our potential market was about 7,032 people, based on the website that we found out and stuff. The price was a potential market too as well, because we were a lot lower priced than other competitors were. Other alternatives were taking children to daycare facilities. Our competitors, we can probably average to about 1 daycare facility and stuff. But if we go any further, we start hitting the negative net present value. And with our frequency, we would be able to take care of children all year round, and our gross margin is about 10% if children are with a cost of $5 per children at a price of $4.50. With our cash flow, net present value will be making about $307,000, $902.67. Our return would be 37%. Our break-even point would be about 2,873 children we would need to break even. And with the cash flow going here, each year we will be making a positive net present value. So, with critical values, if the direct competitor is more than 2 competitors, well, our net present value would drop into the negative. And unless the percentile of people use nannies, which is less than 7%, the NPV would also be positive. And within conclusion of that, our net present value is positive, even in the worst case, There's no other daycare like Traveling Daycare, and parents can watch their children whenever they want to, and daycare providers will have to have degrees and certificates, which would be really great for our daycare providers and our business. Thank you.